Hi guys, today we're eating McDonald's. Look. Yeah.
11 o'clock na bilis.
Nom nom nom!
Oh.
It's my drink.
Go home na. Sabi ni Mami.
Go home na. Finish your food na.
30 minutes.
Oh no, it's too late already.
No.
Lalabas na yung zombie pag 12 o'clock ha.
Then we will just say hi. We're not bad.
Kamoy
we're
natin
good.
yun.
Kumain niya lang.
Ah, lapit lang pala.
See, look at the camera. What is the color of the fry?